everyone, this is Lily and I'm going to be teaching you how to make ratatouille from the movie Ratatouille. The first thing you're going to want to do is gather all of your ingredients. The ingredients I have here are 1 eggplant, 3 yellow squash, 2 zucchini, 2 tomatoes, and 1 yellow bell pepper. Due to the power of TV magic, all my vegetables are already washed, but you're going to want to make sure you wash your vegetables before you get started. The majority of this video is going to be me cutting vegetables. The vegetable I decided to start with was yellow squash, but it doesn't matter which vegetable you start with, as long as you cut the tops off of whatever vegetable you're using. In order to be consistent with your sizing and cooking times, you're going to want to cut all of your vegetables into about a 1/16 of an inch thick. Unless you're a professional chef, all of your slices probably aren't going to be perfect, but that's okay, you'll have plenty of vegetable to go around in case you mess up a few. As you can see here, I dropped a number of vegetable pieces, but that's okay, I still had plenty more to put in my ratatouille and then some left over. After cutting up all of my yellow squash, I moved on to my zucchini with the exact same process. And yes, again, I did mess up a couple times and I dropped a few on the floor. And repeating that process, I moved on to my eggplant, which was surprisingly hard to cut. Then after that, I ended up cutting my tomatoes pretty poorly, but not worse than my bell peppers, which I ended up dicing up and putting in the sauce. Some people take their time to make their tomato sauce, but I just use raws from the jar. I completely covered the bottom of my dish with the sauce so that all of my vegetables would cook evenly. The next thing I did was put my vegetables in a pattern to put in the bottom of the dish. The pattern that I chose was eggplant, then yellow squash, then zucchini, and then tomato wherever I saw fit. I then put my vegetables in a spiral pattern just like the movie. Side note, I did cut my eggplant into smaller little circles so that they would fit with my zucchini and yellow squash. After that, I just salt and peppered to taste. Cover your dish in foil and then put in the oven at 375 degrees for 40 minutes. Once it's been in the oven for 40 minutes, take the foil off and put it in for another 20 minutes. And then you're done! Plate your dish feeling good knowing that your dish is just as good as a rat's.